Respected Principal Sir, my colleagues, and my dear students. Good morning to everyone. First of all, happy National Sports Day to everyone. Today, I am going to talk about the National Sports Day. August 29th, celebrating as the National Sports Day in India. It is birthday of the legend Major Dhyan Chand, one of the best sportsmen ever to have graced of hockey. Hockey always has a special place among Indians. Our generation sometimes look back with a sense of disbelief about the golden era of Indian hockey. When India won the three Olympic gold medals in 1928, 32, and 36. The era was led by none other than Dhyan Chand, who scored 35 goals in 12 matches. Dhyan Chand joined the Indian Army at the age of 16 and never played hockey during his childhood. Slowly he was attracted to the game and progressed quickly represent to India. In the 1936 Olympics, Dhyan Chand displays unbelievable skills with his hockey stick. That a German newspaper carried a banner headline. The Olympic complex now has a magic show too. The next day, posters were displayed all over Berlin, which showed visit the hockey stadium to watch the Indian magician Dhyan Chand in action. There is also a legendary story saying that his skills were so good and goldy that one instance his opponents went on to physically check his hockey stick if there is a special glue which sticked the ball to his stick. He scored over 400 goals in his career from 1926 to 1948. Dhyan Chand passed away on 3rd December 1979. He remains a legendary figure in the Indian world hockey. The most noted memorials for him is the Major Dhyan Chand Awards, the highest award for lifetime achievement in sports and games in India. And we celebrating National Sports Day on his birthday. In 1936 Olympics held in Germany, the semi-final match between India versus France. That match, India win the 10-0 goals with France. The final match between India versus Germany. That match also won by India with 8-1 goals. In that match, Dhyan Chand scored hat-trick goals. That match watched by Hitler. Hitler is offered to the Dhyan Chand with German citizen and highest post in army. But Dhyan Chand politely refused his offer. My birthplace is India. I am playing to India. That is the greatness of Dhyan Chand. Dhyan Chand is also called a magician on the hockey field. Dhyan Chand is also known as the Wizard of Hockey. Dhyan Chand displays such mystery and control over the ball that more than once. On this day, achievers in Indian sports are felicitated. Deserving and successful sportspersons are conferred with the Arjuna Awards and Khel Ratna Awards at a special ceremony organized in Ashoka Hall in Rashtrapati Bhavan. They received the award from President of India. Sports persons from various fields are honored at this award ceremony. Those who have contributed to Indian sports and achieved fame for the country deserve to be honored. We need to recognize and reward sports person for having contributed to their respective fields. Many schools across the country celebrating their annual sports day on 29th August. Children, sports helps in overall well-being of a person. Not only is sports good for physical health, it is also a great stress reliever. Participating in sports leaves a person feeling energetic and fresh. Sports contribute to good health and many other benefits of sports. Sports is very important activity for students. It's one activity which can help us to develop multiple qualities like sense of togetherness, leadership, stamina, physical strength, planning, strategy, patriotism, friendship, and teamwork. The qualities which helps us to excel in life. It is a great that our country has chosen a dedicated to sports. Dhyan Chand was our exceptional talented Indian hockey player who impressed a lot of people and even achieved fame internationally. This is a special day to remember him. Thank you. Thank you to everyone. Once again, I wish you happy National Sports Day to everyone.